Now further we saw skew symmetric. Just now we saw the skew symmetric matrix. Now we will see what is triangular matrix. Okay, in the triangular matrix there are two types of matrix: upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. If in a triangular matrix, if in a first lower triangular matrix, the value of a of ij is equal to 0 and I is less than j, then the value of matrix will be 5 2, here this 1 6 3 4, and here this elements will be 0, means this elements are 0, then it is called as a lower triangular matrix. Then afterwards, after afterwards it will be this upper triangular matrix. What are the upper triangular matrix are? In the upper triangular matrix are a of ij is less than upper triangular matrix are less than upper triangular matrix. In a upper triangular matrix, a of ij is equal to 0 and I is greater than j, then this is the matrix form. It is called as a upper triangular matrix. This is a lower triangular matrix, and then this part is called as a whole, are the elements are 0, then it is called as a upper triangular matrix, and this much part is lower triangular matrix. Got it? Now further, the matrix is transpose matrix. The transpose matrix is denoted as a raised to t, a raised to t. Suppose now this transpose matrix is defined as, these are the elements a 2 3 1 7 4, okay, anything. Then now I I will transpose this. How I will transpose this? What how it is? Now these elements I will interchange. How it is? This is a row. Okay. What it is? Got it? It is row. I will change this and I will make it column. 2 3 1. First it was row 2 3 1, then I make it column. Okay, then 7 4 5. These three elements of the row I will interchange. I will make it column. What it is? 7 4 5. Okay, similarly 6 1 6 1 8. Okay, this is the transpose. Sometimes the a dash is also given to this. This is the transpose matrix. Now we will see what is an orthogonal vector. Okay, what is orthogonal vector? Suppose consider one एक vector. Okay, having sorry, not vector, one matrix having elements. Okay, and I have to show that what is an orthogonal matrix. Okay, orthogonal matrix. Then what I will do, I will take another matrix. I will multiply that matrix to the another matrix which is the transpose of this matrix. Okay, this is not a different matrix. Okay, one matrix one matrix is multiplied by the transpose of the mm, matrix to uh, the first matrix. Got it? Okay, then the product of this should be equal to the identity matrix. Okay, a matrix a matrix is first what we are doing here. For from starting we will take this here. First what we are doing, we are taking a matrix, we are taking the matrix and taking a transpose of this matrix, and then first taking a transpose, second we are multiplying this both of the uh, product, both of the product of this matrix, and then whatever the uh, answer is coming, whatever the answer is coming, that is an identity matrix or not. We are verifying that, and if this is happen, then we are saying that it is an orthogonal matrix. Got it? Everybody got it? A, okay, A matrix dot means multiplication. A dot a dash is equal to I, then it is called as an orthogonal matrix. Now we will see further rectangular matrix. Okay, how is the rectangular matrix? Here having everyone knows what is rows. Rows are like this, these rows. Okay, rows. Okay, and this column. Okay, now I have values. Okay, having values. is a M. Here it is M is not equal to N. So it is a rectangular only rectangular matrix. Okay.